You ever notice how people treat January like it's some magical reset button? Like, new year, new me. Meanwhile, it's October and life is just on pause. That's not a calendar problem, that's avoidance with better branding. Here's the truth, you don't need a new year. You need a decision, because 90 days, that's enough time to completely shift your life, if you actually use it. Before you start setting goals, figure out where your life actually stands. Look at your life in pieces, your health, your money, your relationships, your career, your growth. Now ask yourself, where am I actually doing well? And where am I just getting by? No overthinking, no pretending, just honest answers. Then pick a direction. Not everything. Relax. You're not rebuilding your entire life in 90 days. Pick 1 to 3 areas. And be specific. Not, I want to get healthier. Say, I'm working out 3 times a week. Not, I want to make more money. Say, I'm learning a skill I can use to make money. Clarity beats motivation every time. Now here's the part people avoid. What do you need to stop? Everyone loves adding new habits. Almost no one wants to admit what's already messing them up. Scrolling for hours, putting things off, choosing comfort over progress. Be honest, that's where your time is going. Now instead of overwhelming yourself, add 1 habit per goal. Just 1. If you're focusing on fitness, maybe it's 3 workouts a week. If it's growth, maybe it's learning or reading every day. If it's money, maybe it's 1 focused hour building a skill. Keep it simple enough that you can't talk yourself out of it, because you will try. Track it too. Use something visual, a calendar, a habit tracker, sticky notes. Mark each day you follow through. It sounds small, but once you see progress stacking up, you'll want to keep going. And let's be real for a second. You are not going to feel like doing this every day. Some days you'll be tired. Some days you'll feel unmotivated. Some days your brain will try to negotiate. Just skip today. Start tomorrow. That moment right there, that's the whole game. Because change doesn't come from perfect days. It comes from showing up on the days you don't feel like it. And one more thing. Pay attention to what you're feeding your mind. The videos you watch, the conversations you have, the people you're around, that stuff affects you more than you think. If it drains you, distracts you, or keeps you stuck, it's not harmless. So for the next 90 days, be intentional. Choose things that push you forward, not things that keep you where you are. At the end of the day, you don't need a new year. You need consistency, you need clarity, and you need to stop waiting for the perfect time. Because 90 days from now, you're either going to be in a completely different place or in the exact same spot, wondering why nothing changed. And that choice, that's on you.